We've got the three-phase 7 kilowatt refrigeration compressor set up here, and the high pressure pipe is going out here and then over the door, going to the chiller coils up here, and then after the chiller coils it's down to the Tesla turbine, which has two solenoid actuators. Those solenoid actuators will be run and accelerate, so we'll actually turn on the run and then it should slowly start up, and then we open up the accelerator to give it more fluid and more mass flow, so that we use two of the jets inside the Tesla turbine and not just one, and that will cause the turbine to spin up. Then close the valve that goes to the acceleration jets. After the Tesla turbine, it goes out of the exhaust to the counterflow heat exchangers, and then it goes to the accumulator. From the accumulator it goes back a zigzag pipe that goes across here at floor level, both high pressure and low pressure. Refrigeration compressor is standing on wheels so that we can wheel it outside, close the door on top of the pipes and pack the bottom of the door so that this coil is running outside and that coil is running inside and that turbine is running inside. Tomorrow we're going to do pressure test.